Welcome back to another video. In this video, I actually want to talk to you about another way that you can use to make money online. This website is one you may or may not have heard of. We're going to go through exactly what it does, how you can start with them, and all of the features it has on the website that you can use to make yourself some extra money. Before we go ahead and do that, this is our channel here, Ryan and Sam Hill, and we do all sorts of videos from the stock market video, affiliate marketing, and different ways that you can use to make some money online. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video whenever we upload a new one. The website is called Pico Workers, okay? And this is such a really, really good website if you're wanting to just make yourself a little extra income each month to help with whatever bills or maybe you're saving up for a holiday or whatever. But this is a way that you can really use to make some extra money. And my seat is just like going down by itself. So I'm gonna pop back up again. So basically all you do is you sign up, and as soon as you sign up to Pico Workers, they're going to give you 75 cents straight into your account just for signing up with them. And then you're going to go through, and there are lots and lots of things that you can do with Pico Workers. So the first thing is here you can see small jobs. So with the small jobs, there are lots of different things, and some of them, for instance, are here, like if you have a Facebook account, all you need to do is maybe like a post, share a post, comment on a post. It doesn't matter how many friends you have or anything like that. As long as you have a Facebook account and you go ahead, like and comment on or share a post, then you will get paid for doing that. And it's the same with Instagram. They might ask you to follow them on Instagram, or you may be writing a comment on somebody's Instagram post. These are individuals, sometimes they're businesses that are offering these small jobs, these like micro tasks, if you like. And basically people are just trying to improve their following or gain subscribers, or they're trying to connect with an audience, and they're asking for your help to do it. And in return, they're going to pay you a small amount of money for that help. So YouTube, then you'll go ahead and you like subscribe to a channel, like a video, even comment on a video. There are lots of different social platforms that different people use to promote different things. And obviously they're trying to get in front of as many people as they can. And so this is the best way, or one of the ways for them to do it. Again, there's Twitter and there's Reddit, and then there's different small jobs you can do, like websites. It might ask you to go onto Google, type in a keyword, and then click onto the website, click onto an ad, and stay on a website for 1 minute, and they're going to pay you just to do that. Okay, so that is small jobs, and there are absolutely loads of them on there. So there are so many things that you can do that you can build up. If you was to do, say, 5 jobs, and these little jobs are so quick, they're going to literally take you about 30 seconds of your time. So the amount of money per job you see might not be a lot, but you can do a lot of them in a small amount of time. And so it's really, really going to build up for you to help you make an extra amount of money to like go towards your income. Now, after that, there are ongoing jobs. And so here you can see an example for ongoing jobs, and it'll tell you, so this is talking to people as if they're advertising it, but you can understand from what it says here, right, what it's implying. So have you ever wanted to hire a few more people to help you for weeks or months? So that's basically what people are doing. Companies or individuals maybe that can't necessarily hire a person, they are advertising a job here on Pico Workers for other people to do to help them out, and they're going to pay certain amounts of money. Now, with ongoing jobs, the way it works is they'll tell you how long the job is, so the duration of it, whether it's a month or less than a month, and how much you are likely to earn per month. I'm going to go into that in a moment with you. But you can see down here featured small jobs as well. And it tells you here, search for a site and click, and you'll get 6 cents. It's going to take you about 30 seconds. So those micro jobs that you do are going to build up. Earn easy commission and sign up for whatever this is, 15 cents. And then there's some YouTube. Just got to subscribe to Bob Proctor and you're going to earn 7 cents. Visit a website and click, 2 cents, 3 cents. Subscribe to this YouTube channel here, 7 cents. And as you go down, you can see there's 30 cents, write a review. There are so many down here with little different amounts of money that you can make. And so all you have to do is just click through them, see the ones that you might fancy doing, go ahead and do it, and then move on to the next one. So then you've got your featured ongoing jobs. So these are the ones that are not just a one-time thing. They are recurring jobs. They want you to come back and do them again and again and again. And you can see here like easy daily tasks, $1 per task. They're expecting you to earn on average about $12 a month. And again, all down here, it shows you what the featured jobs are. When you log in, this is what it's going to look like when you first get inside the website. Okay, so it's going to tell you what your balance is, 75 cents, which is your join-up fee. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on either whether you want a small job or you're going to click on whether you want an ongoing job. So there's also the tabs for those here and here. So we'll click on small jobs and you'll get an idea of what they look like actually behind the scenes. And you can see as well the success rate of these. So it'll give you a better idea of whether you want to start them in the first place. Here, this is the number of jobs that are available and the amount of people that have done them. So there's 25 jobs and so far 10 people have done those jobs. Once 25 have done them, this job will disappear and you will no longer be able to see it. And then it tells you how much each job is worth. So 8 cents, 10 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. So it varies quite a lot. 21 cents here. Also, the ones, it tells you here, jobs with more than 60 positions are shown in colour. So this one, for instance, it's got a yellow background. It's highlighted yellow. It's 8 cents. But there's more than 60 positions available. Of those 962 right there, 844 people have already completed this task. And they've made 8 cents. And as you go down, I keep clicking that button on my mouse. As you go down, you can see the different things that you can do. And you can just literally jump from one to the next, to the next, to the next. Dead simple, dead simple. But do make a note of the ones like here. The ones that are red, they're the success rate of them. So basically it means people may have started them but not completed them, which might suggest that it's not quite as simple as it seems. So I would recommend that you go for the ones that are green, and obviously have a better success rate, which basically means more people have completed them. They've started them and completed them, not just started them. So there are loads and loads and loads to choose from, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just keep on scrolling, and when you get to the bottom, that's it. Some of them, like this one here, are dependent on where you live. This one here is USA, but you're going to earn 15 cents for that. There's 100 jobs available. Half of it has already been done. 50 have already done it. 100% success rate. The bar is fully green, but you can only do that if you're in the USA. So if I take you back up to the top here now, and we go to ongoing jobs, this is where you can make more money, okay? So The small jobs, they're just going to make you a few cents here and there, and you're going to do lots and lots of those jobs. These jobs, however, these are going to tell you how much you're expected to earn per month. And this is what I showed you on the front page. Now, you can go down through these and you can see that this one here, sign up to get Gatorade samples. Obviously, this is US only, so you can look for some that are worldwide if you do not live in the US, but I'm going to use this as an example. You're going to get 20 cents for that. There are others you can do a few times per day, but they reckon your expected per month earnings is $12 from this. It's a short one. It's only up to 1 month, so it's not going to run continuous month on month on month. This one, for instance, simple daily tasks. A few countries it is available to. There are other tasks that you can complete once per day, and from these tasks they are giving you 22 cents, and they're expecting that each month you're going to be able to earn $6.60, and this is an ongoing job. Okay, so then we can go down, and this one here, this is also a long job. So if it is something that you're looking for long term, where you know the next 6 months or so that you can quite easily just complete these each day to earn you $12 a month, and maybe you can do I don't know, 4 or 5 of these long jobs because they're simple tasks, and then you can make this build up each month. So if you was to do this one and say this one, and then there's another one, look at this one down here. This is also available to a few countries, easy daily tasks. There are other tasks you can do a few times per day, and they're expecting that you can earn $120. So if you was to do that one, and you do these 3 together, and that one, you can earn $162 per month for just doing easy tasks, and you do a couple of them each day till you've built up your money. And so each month, that is what they expect that you will make as long as you go through what they tell you to do on the other side. But if you don't want to earn that much, you can do other little jobs that are going to pay as well, $6, $10, small tasks every day, create social media, verified account. So they're asking for people to help them out on that side. And again, these are companies or individuals that are requesting help with what it is that they're doing. And so they are basically kind of offering out jobs to people like you at home that already have a job, but also are looking to make a little bit of extra money. So as you can see here, there are absolutely tons of them. And you just scroll down and you pick the ones that suit you best. And it's really simple. Pico Workers is such a simple site to use to make some extra money online. That's literally all there is to it. There's 2 areas. There is a referral area that you can use if you wish to refer other people to. You can go ahead and you can take a look at that yourself if it's something that would be, interesting to you to do. I haven't looked through it because I'm not actually using the referral link on this. I'm just I'm just giving you ways to make money online, and this is one of them. But referrals is here if it's something that would interest you. And I'll run through it quickly for you so you can, your referral link is here. And all you do, if you are referring this, you give this to somebody else. If it's something that they want to do, somebody that wants to earn some extra money, and it tells you here, members in your downline make 5% from each deposit, and 5% from each task is paid to your downline members. Now, go ahead and try out the website. Let me know what you think in the link below. I absolutely know you're going to make some money from this website. So however much you make, whether you enjoy it, whether it's not the kind of website that you're looking for, let me know. Like the video if you've got some great information from this. I hope it's provided lots of value for you. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Like I said before, hit the like button and let me know that you did like the video. And until next time, guys, take care.